Mention tie!
Hi there, my name is John. I'm a Scottish Guy Reacts, and I haven't been doing a wee bit today with YouTube, or I will be in the future. And I'll leave the link at the end of the video for how to delete the playlist off YouTube very quickly and easily. So we'll just go to create a design. We'll just type in, see, look at this YouTube thumbnail. It's actually doing pretty much all the work for you. Now, it would take me forever to go through all these templates that they've got, and by the way, you'll be able to get a free pro trial with them, right? But I also sell beats on beatstars.com. So what I will do is I will try and edit this so that, right, yeah, Beat Empire Music, that's taking up quite a bit of the screen there, so we'll that'll be 80. Nice. Right. Buy my beat on beatstars.com. Element, because it is for YouTube, I think it would look really quite good just to if you go to elements, you've got all this, right? Click on that, very simple thing here. I'm pretty much loading this with stuff, folks, but it's giving you a general idea, you know what I mean? And I could actually maybe upload one of my own hideous images. There you go. See what I mean? Get yourself a free trial with Canva. Start playing about with it. It really is that easily done, and there'll be something there for everybody, right? Thanks for joining me, right? You take care, folks, and come back for my next one. Hit subscribe and hit that bell so you'll never miss a beat. No pun intended there, right? Right, thanks, bye.